Hello and welcome to Lake Mulgra. In this video I'm going to show you some of my favourite and most accessible locations to shoot the Milky Way in South East Queensland. I'll also tell you what time of the year is best to shoot in those locations, and if you stick around I'll let you know when the best time to shoot Lake Mulgra is. So let's get to it. The first location is at Beachmere, about an hour's drive north of Brisbane. It can be accessed by taking the T.E. Bonney Reserve walking track, which is located at the end of a dog walking park. All the locations that I'm showing in this video can be shot at a reasonable hour in the evening, usually between 6:30 and 8:30. It's about a 5-minute walk through the mangroves to the shooting location. Just make sure you follow the white sand track. Our spot is just after the second creek crossing. With any of these locations, I recommend you scout them out during the day, so you're not having to find them at night time. When shooting the Milky Way, it's always nice to have a point of interest like a tree. This Beachmere location has 2 of them, but as you can see, they can only be accessed at low tide. This makes it a tricky location because you have to work out when it's low tide and when there's no moon in the sky. This is an east-facing location, so the best time of the year to shoot here is late April, May and early June. Here's some of the photos I've captured over the years shooting here at Beachmere. My next location is at Villeneuve at Lake Somerset, about an hour and 15-minute drive from Brisbane. What makes this spot great is all the dead trees in the water for points of interest. Again, this is an east-facing location, so the best time to shoot is June to early July. A bonus location at this spot, if you're brave enough, is the Leicester Crop Bridge. It's great for a Milky Way selfie. The third location is Flynn Head, just over the border in New South Wales. It's about a 2-hour drive from Brisbane. Here, the causeway and lighthouse make great points of interest. This is an east-facing location, so the best time to shoot is in June and July. The fourth location is One Tree Hill in Mullaney. Unfortunately, due to council restrictions placed on the owners of the property, you can no longer access it, which is a shame because it was a great place to shoot the Milky Way in August. You could line up the tree and the Milky Way for a great composition. I managed to capture one of my favourite Milky Way shots here when a comet streaked through the sky. Location number 5 is Lake Mulgra, which is just over an hour's drive from Brisbane. The easiest place to access for Milky Way shots is Hague Park, which has the lake in the foreground and Mount Greville in the background. There are plenty of other locations around the lake and great compositions to be found. My recommendation is that you do your own scouting during the day to find these spots. With the Milky Way now in the western sky, Lake Mulgra is perfect to shoot it in September and October. My final location is Lake Wyalong, which again is just over an hour's drive from Brisbane. There are a collection of dead trees in the lake which make the perfect point of interest. The composition here is facing directly west, so the best time to shoot here is late September, October. At that time of year you can get the Milky Way almost flat to the horizon sitting above the trees. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe. To finish, here's some of the photos I've captured over the years at Lake Wyalong.